In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix if your Android storage is full but there are no files. First is today's simple reboot, since this will clear the temporary system, data, and cache, and also you can go to the settings and select the apps, and select the file manager or file application and click the storage and clear the cache. Now head to the trash bin of your gallery or your file manager. Empty the recycle bins, since they often hold undetected deleted items. Now for deeper cleaning, you can do this. If you are using Files by Google, you can find and delete junk files, duplicates, and large files here, since this app can detect anything. Another one is to use the file manager to look for large or other or system data categories that aren't visible as normal files. And then you just need to delete them. And that's how you can fix if your Android storage is full but there are no files. And thank you for listening.